Today we're going to work on changing fractions to decimals, but before we can do that, we need to be able to change our fractions of 1/2 to have a denominator not of 2 but of 100. So we need to ask ourselves, 2 times what equals 100? Or what is half of 100? Well, half of 100 is 50. So if we multiply our numerator 1 times that same number 50, then we'll figure out what half of 100 and with the denominator of 100. So 1 times 50 is 50. When we get to 1/3, 1/3 doesn't go into 3 doesn't go into 100 evenly, but we can get as close to as possible. We can get up to 99. So if we multiply 3 times 33, which equals not 100 but actually 99, then we can also get what 1/3 is as 100th. So 1 times 33 equals 33, which is the close 1/3 and 33/100 is the closest we're going to get. Next we need to figure out 4 times what equals 100. Well, as we know, 4 quarters makes 100 cents, and each quarter is worth 25. So 4 times 25 equals 100. So let's multiply 1 times 25, and we'll get 25. Now, 5 times what equals 100? Well, 5 times 20 equals 100. So 1 times 20 equals 20. Okay, 10 times what equals 100? 10 times 10 equals 100. So 1 times 10 equals 10. Another way that you can figure out how to find what these numbers are that we can multiply by is we can simply divide. 2 divided by 100. So let's do that. 2 divided by 100. Well, 2 doesn't go into 1, or it goes in 0 times. 2 times 2 goes into 10 5 times. So 2 times 5 is 10. And we have a remainder of 0. We bring down our 0. 2 will go into 0 0 times. So 2 will go into 100 50 times. Okay, now let's do 100 divided by 3. 3 will go into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down our 0. 3 will go into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. And we have a remainder of 1. Again, we can't get quite up to 100, but we can get really close. And what would happen is that we would just keep going. It would be 3, 3, 3, and it would just keep going. But we're just going to cut it off and say 33. Okay, so now we need to do 4 divided by 100. 4 will go into 10 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. We're going to subtract that from 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down our 0. 4 will go into 20 5 times. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0, and we have a remainder of 0. Okay. And we can do the same thing for 1/5 and 1/10. Now let's find some other numbers, some larger numbers than 1/10. So we have the fractions 1/20th, 1/25th, 1/50th, and 1/100th. Okay? So 20 times what equals 100? 20 times 5 equals 100. Okay. 25 times what equals 100? Well, 4. 50 times what equals 100? 50 times 2. And 100 times what equals 100? Well, 100 times 1 equals 100. Okay, so now let's do 1 times 5. Obviously that's 5. 1 times 4, so that's 4. Okay. Moving on, as we know, 2 times 50 equals 100, 3 times 33 equals as close to 100 as we can get, 99, 4 times 25 equals 100, 5 times 20 equals 100, 10 times 10 equals 100. So let's use our cheat sheet right here to answer these fractions. So we have a denominator of 3, so we know that we're going to multiply 3 times 33 and we'll get 99, or 100 is what we're going to use. And then we'll multiply 2 times 33. 2 times 33 is 66. Okay. Now we have a denominator of 4, so 4 times 25 equals 100, so 4 times 25 equals 100. 2 times 25 equals 50. Now 4 times 25 equals 100. 3 times 25 equals 75. Now we have a denominator of 5. 5 times 20 equals 100. 5 times 20 equals 100. 2 times 20 equals 40. Now 5 times 20 equals 100. So 3 times 20 equals 60. 5 times 20 equals 100. 4 times 20 equals 80. 10 times 10 equals 100. So 2 times 10 equals 20. 3 times 10 equals 100. 3 times 10 equals 30. 4 times 10 equals 100. 4 times 10 equals 40. 20 times 5 equals 100. 2 times 5 equals 10. 25 times 4 equals 100. Therefore, 3 times 4 equals 12.